Oh, you rev. You rev. Isaac, carry. Go. Boom, boom. Faster. Yeah. Yeah. Boom, boom. Dali.
I am so scared. This bike is so
Isaac
big.
bike. 70 degrees, 74 degrees. It's quite chilling already, the engine. The engine is quite cold. It's chilling, bro. We have changed number 1, thermostat. Number 2, radiator thermo relay. Number 3, vacuum hoses. Number 4, rear bushings. Number 5, we change the water pump inside. It's just there. Here. Water pump. Water pump, yeah. It's a new water pump. We maintain this bike. We always change oil. Change coolant. We change coolant. What else? We're maintaining this bike. Actually, I love this bike. Brembo wheels. Brembo brakes. Rev it so that they know. Sound. You hear the sound? More. See more.
Yeah, I'm scared, Daddy. I don't
Why?
want to.
That's my son who helped me. So guys,
I always help you.
we forgot also we changed the gear indication display. Everything is good.
That's Ali's mom.
Okay. Say hello, Isaac.
Hello.
You say shout out Moto Tour PH.
Shout out Moto2 and subscribe.
Yeah. Subscribe. Oh, rev Isaac, rev. More. Okay, that's it guys. Bye.